and trace, and then go. So now it's tracking me. So let's go ahead, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and back it up a little bit. Go ahead and see if it can. So you just track. Look at this, in a four-wheeler. Woohoo! That's amazing. Look at this, guys. Yeah, look at this, guys. Soft sand. Yeah. Woohoo! You can see here it's tracking. It's kind of weird the way it tracks. It doesn't really like track in the middle. So let's go ahead and
so you guys can go ahead and see I'm not on the center of the active track. So I gotta go ahead and fix it, and let me go ahead and go try some other things out here and show you guys what I was thinking to do.
So you can see here. Woohoo! We're going too fast. Oh, can you keep up? Okay, we're just hauling ass over here. Yeah, it tracks. I mean,
so you guys can go ahead and see the Mavic Mini 3 Pro just lost me, and most of the time of the active track, like if you use the Mavic 3 or the Air 2S, it will find a track. This one it isn't, so I gotta start all over again. And let's see.
And then do active tracking. Ready? Here you go.
So you can't really go fast.
So it does. Come on. Oh, it lost me right there. Oh man, it lost me.
You can go ahead and see the focus track actually trying to track me. So it did lost me a little bit, but it's trying to find me. So I think DJI need to do another firmware update for active track. It would, I don't know, maybe the environment that I'm in is having a hard time, but just showing it to you guys.
And supposedly, I don't know, I mean, I had this just now. I mean, DJI could at least fix this already for how many months now, and still not able to be fixed. We're just gonna go ahead and see what it can do. And he's tracking. Let's go back here. So he's tracking me. Alright, let's do a parallel. Okay, it doesn't really matter. And this is zooming in, active track, and let's go ahead and check it out. So the zoom in active track does work. Strange. Okay, let's go ahead and so it does track right there. So let's go ahead and go over here. See what's up. See how far can it track me. Okay, let's go ahead and see how far up can it track. Whoa. So we're going, yeah, so he lost me. So how many? Yeah,
51 feet up, the Mavic Mini 3 Pro, it will actually lose you. So
interesting.
it would be better if you can go higher. So there's a bug need to be fixed.
All right,
I mean, just
ahead.
to be smooth it out. I know 2 or 3 months from now, DJI is gonna improve this for sure. You guys can hear there's a gust of winds just blowing at my face. So for 249 gram, I think it's good enough running it around, you know. But I think a firmware update would do better. Anyway, I'm just showing you guys what this Mini 3 Pro active track performance, showing it to you guys. And 1 month, 2 months it's been out. I just got it, so it does need a little bit of a firmware update again, and that's the reason why I waited for a while until just now. I just made this video because I know that once I get my hand on this Mini 3 Pro, it's not gonna be as ready like I expected to be. The controller, the RC controller, I was surprised. I mean, like I said, I am an iOS person. I'm not really into Android, but with this controller, it's acceptable. And I actually enjoyed it. And I'm actually using it without using any data. There's no Wi-Fi on here. Just turn on the drone and wait for the GPS and lock in. And I just go ahead and use it. Not even worry about connecting to a data, to a Wi-Fi, or anything like that. But so far so good. I mean, I rode it to the beach. You can see here I'm riding my mini four-wheeler with my son. You know, I just don't like to babysit. I'm already babysitting my son. Babysitting a drone is just another, like, okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and wait until it's actually better. But hey, I'm surprised what it can do. Guys, this is 249 gram of a drone. It's basically kind of like a toy, and it's a lightweight. I mean, this kind of stuff that I do, I'm most likely would use like a Mavic 3 or Mavic 2 or Air 2S, bigger drone, you know. But now we have this small drone. I would recommend it. And to be safe out there, especially if you're riding or anything like that, would be great because like you don't have to worry about getting hit in the head with it or hit people around you or crash to something. So if you guys saw my video back in the past, I said the Mini and the Mini 2 is must have, is active track and also hyperlapse. And now we have all this and also obstacle avoidance front and rear, and the camera, guys, 4K 60 and a vertical camera angle. I mean, this is amazing. It's so much feature with this drone. It's just fun to fly. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.